Today, I'll be working on numbers. But before we talk about numbers, mathematics is classified into five. The first one is number, the second one is algebra, the third one is geometry and trigonometry, which is also can be called shape, and the fourth one is calculus, which the last one is statistics. Now, but today I'll be working on numbers. I will be working on numbers. Let me put number here. Now, numbers. Number is a very sensitive aspect of mathematics. Any student that is doing fine in number will be able to know mathematics very well because it's a basic. Now, we have to know that numbers start from the minus infinity to infinity. We call it a real number. And also we have we have classes of numbers. We have an integer, we have a natural number, we have a digit number. But please, you have to understand that digit number from minus 9 to 0 and to what? To 9. These are digit number. Now, the part of it, we are using this particular aspect, which is what? The digit on the other side, which is digits from 0 to what? To 9. Digits from what? 0 to 9. I have 0, I have 1, I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Altogether, there are 10 items. Now, there's no way you know any number you want to write. They are mixture of these digit numbers. Any number you want to write, they are mixture of what? Digit number. And this shows that what? The numbers operate in base 10. The number operates in base 10. For instance, if I want to write 1 million now, 171, okay, 117,252,720. Now, they are mixture of these numbers there. They are mixture of what? Of these numbers there. Now, let's continue. What we need to understand about numbers, we have to understand addition of numbers, subtraction of numbers, also multiplication of numbers, division of numbers, simple interest, compound interest, decimal, significant figure, indices, logarithm, set of a number also, they are there, or set of items, and so on and so forth. But today, I would like us to understand that if I have a number like this, 3, 4, 5, 7, now, how do I position it? This is a what? A unit. This is a tenth. This is 1,000. And this is what? 10,000. Please don't forget, this is 10,000. Now, it's good to understand this number, this aspect of mathematics. Now, for me to add, I have to start from what? 10, from unit. Okay, I want us to work much more on multiplication of what? Of number. Multiplication of numbers. Now, if I should multiply number, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the very important aspect of it. Now, 2 is very simple to multiply, gap of 2, 2. 3 is also simple to multiply, 4 also. But let's start from, there are logic behind 9 and 8. Let's start from 8. Okay, I want to multiply a number of 8. Multiplication on 8. Okay, look at 8 now. I have 0, 8 itself. The aspect, this unit will be coming down on what? On 2 steps. The next one will be what? 6 and 1. This one will be counting 1 times, which is, this one will be 2 and what? And 4. The next one will be what? 3 and what? And 2. 2 gap. This one is coming down in 2, which is what? Now, also the next one going to be what? Is 0 and what? And 4. At the point of that is 0, you will start again, which is what? Start from 8 again. Repeat the number here. Okay, And if I have this, also back to what? To 6 and 5. Also back to what? To what? To 4 and 6. Also back to what? 2 and this one going to be what? 8. I mean on 7. You have a 0 again. Once you have a 0, you have 8. You will repeat this 8. That is how to achieve 8 multiplication of what? Of 8. Now let's move on to 9. 9 is very, very simple to it's good to know about 9. If I want to multiply a number with 9, what I will just need to do is that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one you count back again. This one will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By so doing this, I've had my what? My multiplication of what? Of 9. At this point of E0, at this point of 0, what I will do is that I will repeat the 9, which I will have what? 9. Come again, which is what? 9. Come again, that will be what? 10, 8, 11. What's going to be next? 7, and so on and so forth. Now, also, I can multiply my 9 times. If I have a number like this, I have a 6 times 9, for instance. How do I get it? I will minus 1 from here. Once I minus 1 from here, I will have 5. I will now minus 5 from here. I will have what? 4. By so doing that, I will have my what? My multiplication of what? Of 9. Also, if I have a number, plenty number like this, I have a very plenty number. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 times what? Okay, let me just make it 3. Let me start from the beginning. I mean, not to be complex. Okay, I have times 9, 9, 9. I don't need to stress myself. This is very simple. You don't need calculator. Say no to calculator. Calculator cause a lot of issue when you are in exam hall or even in your place of selling things. How do I go? I will have what? 2, 3, minus 1 from here. I will have 3. This minus this particular number minus this number, which I will have what? 7. This particular number minus this particular number, it will be what? It will be what? 6. This also, it will be what? 6. It means if I multiply this number, this is what I will get. Any form of number times in what? 999. I can what? Achieve it. If I have, for instance, I have 3, 4, 8, 9 times what? 9, 9, 9, 9. I don't need a calculator to work out this thing. Let me put 9 here. Now, I don't need a calculator to work out this. What I will just do is that 2, 3, 4, minus 1 from here, I will have 8. Now, 2 minus 9, which is going to be what? 2 minus 1 is going to be what? 7. 3 minus 9 is going to be what? 6. 4 minus 9 is going to be what? 5. 8 minus 9 is going to be what? 1. And 7 minus 9 is going to be what? 2. That is my what? Multiplication. You can use your calculator to confirm this. That is how multiplication of what? Of 9 is what? Now, let's move on to 10. That 10, any number that ends with 0, it's very simple to work on 10 on 10. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, I have a number like this, 221 times 10. I don't need to stress myself. I will just repeat. I will repeat this number here, and I will put this number down, which is what? 210. Now, if I have any number 3, 4, okay, that is 2314 times what? Times 10. I will just have 2, 3, 4, and what is 0? That is my what? Multiplication of what? On 10. Let's move on to multiplication on 11. Okay, 11 is very simple. If I have 11 times 1, 11 times 2, it will be 11 times 2 is what? 22 times 3 will be 33, and so on and so forth. That is all. That is all about what? Multiplication of what? 11. You will just be what? Double the what? The number. But if you have a plenty number, for instance, I have a 23 times 11. I don't need to stress myself. What I will just do is that look at this number here. I will write 2 and I will write what? 3. Sum of these two numbers together, which I will have what? 5. That is my answer for what? Multiplying what? Number times what? 23 times what? 11. If I have a plenty number, for instance, I have a 2, 3, 7, okay, 2, 3, 7, 5 times 11. Okay, this one is a bit logical. There are plenty number here. What I will need to do, I will write the first and I will write the last. First and the last. This plus this, it will give me what? This plus this is going to be going to be what? 5. This plus this is going to be what? 10. I will write 0 like this. This plus this, I will have 2, 5, 15. I will have 5. This plus this, I will have that will be 8, that will be 12. I mean, that is 13. I will write 13 like this. I have my final answer will be up 3, 6, 1, 6, 2. That is my what? Final answer. Now, okay, for instance, I want to multiply a number times 11. At least 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let me work on that 1, 1. If I have 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1, I don't need to stress myself. What I will just need to do is that what? I will have 1, 2, 1. Now, look at this particular number. The number 1, the last one, 1. Add up the 2, you have what? 1. Okay. If I now plenty of them, 1, 1, 1 times what? 1, 1, 1. What I will need to do is that I will have 1, 2, 3. Now, 1, 2, 3. Once I have 1, 1 times what? 1, 1. I have 1, 2, 1. Therefore, this one will now be what? 1. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That is my final answer. Okay, if I have a plenty number, which is, you are timesing it what? With 11. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 times what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, you have a plenty number, you want to times it with what? With themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do I achieve this? I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what? 4, 3, 2, 1. That is mine. That is achievable. Now, please don't forget, it's very easy to multiply a number with what? With 11 or so on. Now, let's multiply number by what? By 12. How do I multiply, get a multiplication table of what? Of 12. I have 12 like this. If I want to multiply a number with 12, what I will just need to do is that I have 12 times 1. 12 times 1 surely give me 12. The next one will be what? Now, you'll be going higher of 2 steps. Count up will be what? 1, 1, 1. This one will be what? 1, 2. Okay, this one will be, sorry, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here. Now, for instance, now, this one, the next one will be what? The next one will be what? 4. The next one will be what? 6. The next one will be what? 8. The next one will be what? You come back again to what? To that particular 2. You are now back to what? To your 2. Okay, you are talking about what? 2. That is how it's going to be what? You'll be going and be going and to be going. Now, if I want to multiply a number by what? By 12 now. For instance, I have 2, 3. Okay, I have 123 times 12. I don't need to stress myself. How do I achieve this? It's very simple. What I will just do, I will write the first number. The first number times 2, it will give me what? First number, which is this first number times 2, it will surely give me what? 2. 2 plus 2, it will be what? 4. I will also move on again. 2 times 2, which is the second one times 2, which is what? 4. 4 plus the next one, it will give me what? It will give me 7. And the next one will be what? 3 times 2, which is what? 3 times 2 is what? 6. Nothing is at the back, which is my answer is what? That is my answer. I can use this to achieve any number times 12. Okay, for instance, I have 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 7 times 12. I don't need to stress myself. How do I do? I don't need to stress my what? Myself. How do I do? The first one is what? 2. Okay, if I have the first one, 2 times 2, it will be what? 4. 4 plus 3, I will have 7. The next one is 2 times 3. 2 times 3, it will be what? 6. 6 plus 2, it will be what? 8. The next one is what? 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1, it will be 5. The next one is 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 7, it will be 9. The next one is what? 2 times 7, it will be 14. I will write 1, 4, which is my final answer is what? 9, which is 0, 6, 8, 7, 2. That is my final answer. Now we can achieve, we can also go and so on, and even times 13 times, you can do the same thing. If I want to multiply a number times 13, okay, I don't need to stress myself. How do I achieve that? This time around, I will use, instead of 2, I will be using 3. I will have the first one as what? As 2 times 3 is what? 6. Okay. 2 times 3 is what? Okay, the first one is what? It will be 6. 2 rather. I have 2. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is going to be what? 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. The next one is 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 2, it will be what? 11. You have only chance for what? For a unit here, which is what? 1. That one, the other one will be what? The 10 will be on the head of the next number. Now, the next one is what? Okay, 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. The next one is 3 times 1 is what? 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. I will have 0. Okay, I will have 0, yes. The next one is what? 3 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Is what? 21. I will have 2 and I will have 1. Which is my final answer will be 1, 2, 8, 1, 0, 3. That is my final answer. Now we can do that for all numbers as far you are getting it. If you need more of this, you can call upon us.